Say, Benny? What'd you say? What? Yeah, the sun's in your eye? Did you play in the water? Was it fun? What was the best part? Are you standing on the chair? That's kind of dangerous. I think you should sit down now. Yeah, can you sit down now? You want to go inside?
No.
You're having fun? What's that sound?
Oh, Mommy.
A bug? That's a bug, but you can't stand with your feet up there. That's not safe. Okay? How come you're all wet?
Help me, Mommy. Mommy, help me.
I'll help you.
Help me, Mommy.
I'll help you.